What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video, as you see by the thumbnail, is going to be the tune and exhaust on the GTI. Hello. And so first we're gonna plug in the tune. So I gotta unbolt the windshield wipers, and then you gotta like wiggle them off, or maybe my dad has a windshield wiper puller.
Yeah, I do.
He's got a windshield wiper puller, so you got to get in there, get into the cowl, and then
the 3H driver,
the ECU's in there. So, well, let me do that. All right, so my dad got the wipers off because we couldn't get them off because we special. But so underneath your cowl here is your ECU. I have one unplugged. All you do is you slide these pins out, and then they just unplug. And then I think the ECU just slides onto a bracket. So we'll slide that out and then plug the new one in. So after a little bit of being a little stupid, you gotta wiggle it, and there's a tab on this side. So this is the OEM ECU, made in Germany. So now you just take your tuned one, throw this one away. Just kidding, they're actually worth like $50. So we'll throw this in and then plug it in and do the downpipe and mid pipe, and see you guys in a second. Oh, here we are, sliding in the new ECU. I think that's good. Bend this thing back. Bend your tab back. Take your plugs, make sure these are pulled out. Lock them in. Nice singing, Jess. Take this. All right. She is plugged in. We'll hook up the battery ground on this thing, and then maybe start it and see if it's got two-step. All right, so we're just gonna give it a quick start because it's still warm, so I can rev it if I want to. See if it even starts. I could've. Where'd you put my key?
Right here.
Oh, there it is. So it starts, which is good. Should I try it? Jess, stand back just in case. This way. I'm gonna try doing some two-step here. It's warm enough. Do it again. So you got two-step. Hell yeah! Your car looks good right now. Oh my god. Jess's car needs some wheels, but there you go. So it has two-step, so I didn't get gypped on that ECU, which is cool. And now I got to get under there and do the cat delete, which is probably gonna suck to do. It's gonna suck to do for sure, but it's gonna be worth it. It's all nice TT stuff. Throw the cowl back on and then do the exhaust. So stay watching if you want to see some flames. All right guys, so I got the car jacked up. It's looking good. About to crawl under there, see what's up. Box came in. A little sneak peek of what's going on in the GTI so I can tow my dirt bike. But here we go. We're gonna start the downpipes and cat delete. So people say you gotta drop the subframe. I'm gonna test out that theory right now.
Three of these is backups.
All right guys, so we are underneath a car right now with very little. One bolt just came out. I got 5 more to go. Wish me luck. They're pretty rusty, but got your long 17 swivel and a 1/2 inch impact. Should be all right. So I'm gonna update you guys as we go. I'm gonna have to cut cut the cat so I can get the downpipe out because it comes in 2 pieces, my new one. So yeah, I'm gonna have to cut that out eventually. But so all of them came off surprisingly somehow. No broken studs, so that's great. So they're off. Now I gotta take the exhaust clamp right here off and then maybe try sliding it down as one unit. We will see. But yeah, so all's good so far. Let's keep on rocking and rolling. So we got the sawzall out and we got a cut right there, and then we got to cut up there so we can slide the downpipes out, because these have a flange right here, so it makes it a lot easier. So I'm gonna do that and then take a picture of my cat and sell it for $200. So the cat is off. I cut it right there. This is off. I'm gonna have to cut it right here because there's no way I'm sliding this whole thing out. I'm gonna try for a second, but most likely I'm gonna end up cutting this and then sliding it in and then putting the new stuff on. Hopefully I don't have to recut this, but recut this side so it slides over, but we'll see in a second. So cat and downpipes are out, thank God. Kind of sucked, but it kind of didn't. You got your new units going in. I'm getting pretty hyped about it because this thing should flow pretty good and it should shoot some sick flame. Throw the new stuff in, get everything plugged up and screwed back on, and get the new gaskets on, and I'll update you guys as we go. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna sneak these up into the car. We got your new hardware, you got your new gaskets, and we're ready to go. So let's go. Jess is getting cranky. So we got it in. New gaskets up there. It's all the way down. I gotta get it up. I got a nut in my mouth right now.
That's what she said.
And I gotta run this up and hopefully I can get the cat delete pipe figured out, because it's looking like it's not gonna slide over, so I might just have to drive it to an exhaust shop with the extension on. So I'll see you in a little bit. It's all bolted down, snugged up, torqued to spec. So now we're gonna put the cat delete mid pipe on and probably start it up open header. An hour and a half later, just been messing around. It's up. As you can see, the existing exhaust is not going to work, so I'm going to have to get a clamp. I was thinking about driving to the exhaust shop and having them do it, but I think I'll be able to handle it by myself. So I have the O2s plugged in. I'm going to start it up open header for you. Well, not open header, but damn close to open header. So as you can see, sounds like dog shit, but we're gonna get that fixed probably Friday. I'm done for the night, so I'm gonna pick this video back up whenever it gets done, and I'll give you a full exhaust clip and rundown of it. So see you then. All right, what's up guys? It's Saturday and the GTI is kind of done. So there's your adapter. It's not the right adapter. It's like 1/8 of an inch off. It's got a little bit small of a leak, but we're gonna run it. So I ordered the right adapter. It'll come in Monday, so I can always switch it out if I want to. But thing is sounding great. It's loud, but it's not too loud. So I'm gonna get it off the jack stands. Actually, I'm gonna check the cat delete pipe, see if that has leaks. I never did that. And then yeah, and then we're gonna go take it off the jack stand and take it for a rip. All right, it is on the ground. Let's give you guys a cold warm start because I checked it for leaks. So here you go. There you have it. It sounds pretty good. Gonna let it warm up, pull it out of the garage, and hit some two-step. Alright, I'm gonna do two-step for 1 second because I'm in my neighborhood. Cover your ears. Alright, there's your two-step. We'll see if it shoots flames tonight, but we're gonna go for a quick rip and then I'll end the video. Alright, so we're about to hit the Mexico Strip. Seat belts. See how quick it is. If I can feel any faster. One second. You good? Feel any faster, but it's definitely louder. That's so fucking loud. It sounds sick though. We gotta do another rip. See if it's got no lift. Alright, so here's your pull. There's your pull. Sounds wild, honestly. Might have to put a muffler on it. It's too loud. Or get this, once I get this leak fixed, it'll be a little bit better. So if you like this video, make sure you subscribe for more Mark IV things. LS swap trucks going in the driveway this week. And yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. I'm throwing this in a couple days later in the exhaust video. You can't see me, but this is it shooting flames because I couldn't get to shoot flames before. So here it is.
Hurry up and don't shoot me.